to see how this mic captures the audio. My helmet visor is closed right now, so I will open it and see. Yes, this is my visor is open now.
Welcome back to the Dashcam Dasher once again for another exciting video. So as you all know, I have been using a Hero Gopro 8 for my riding purposes. So far I am not using any proper vlogging setup for my camera. What I used to do is, I used to simply mount my camera in my helmet and then go for a ride. So the major disadvantage of using this is there is a lot of wind blast, and the only noise you will be hearing is the wind blast noise. So today I have purchased a proper vlogging setup for my Hero GoPro 8, and today I will let you know how to mount this setup. So basically, to connect an external mic to your GoPro, you need the GoPro mic adapter. You need to remember one thing, that no other mic adapter will work with the GoPro. Only the genuine GoPro mic adapter will work with this. I have put the purchase link in the description of this video. So this is the GoPro mic adapter, and to house this mic adapter, you need to purchase a casing for your GoPro. So to make the setup, first we should put the GoPro in the case. For that, we have to remove the battery and SIM card door. So this is present on the side of the camera. First we need to open the door and then just pull it like this, and this door will come off. Then we have to put the camera inside this case, for which we need to remove this frame. Just pull it like this, and then they have given a button here for the battery door. Just push this button like this. They have given the arrow mark, and then just remove it. Then just put the camera in place, and then you have to put the cover back, and just close the battery door. That's it. Now the camera is safely placed in the case. Now we have to put the adapter in this cover. So this is the most difficult part. You have to just put it like this. The cable, the C pin is somewhat bigger, and it is slightly difficult to take it through this. And once the wire is out, just pull it to the farthest you can. And now the mic adapter is set in place. So it's a C-type pin, and here there is a opening given on the door to fit the pin. Just fit the pin in the camera, and then now you can connect your external mic through this pin or this C-type pin. So one major advantage of using this mic adapter is you can use this 3.5mm jack for connecting your mic, and you can simultaneously charge your camera using this C-type pin. One thing which you have to notice is this 3.5mm jack accepts only TRRS type pins, whereas the modern mics comes with TRRS type pins. So I have purchased an adapter separately for this purpose. So I'll explain in detail what is a TRRS pin and a TRRS pin. So there are two types of pins, a TRRS pin and a TRRS pin. So this is a adapter, this has a TRRS pin. Basically the difference between both the pins are, the TRRS pin has a tip, a ring and a sleeve, while my mic pin here has a tip, two rings and a sleeve. So this GoPro mic adapter will accept only a TRRS pin. So if your mic has TRRS pin, you have to purchase an adapter exclusively for this. So this is the adapter. First you have to fit the adapter, and then in the adapter you have to press in your mic. Otherwise your mic won't work with your GoPro. So if you are using a costly mic, they will provide you with a TRRS adapter. But I am using a very cheap Boya mic, so I have to purchase this adapter separately. So to fit this camera in my helmet, I have used an additional extender, because if I don't use this extender, I was unable to fit the camera properly, because this mic adapter housing here just touches with my helmet, and my camera will be focused in such a manner that it will be facing the ground rather than the road. So there are two disadvantages of using this setup. One is the camera becomes very heavy and in long rides you will feel the pain in your neck. The second thing is, since you remove the side door, your GoPro is no more waterproof and riding in rain needs some calculated risk. So now let's go for a ride and see how it performs.
So now I am trying with my mic connected to my GoPro. Let's see how it captures the audio. So now I have closed my helmet visor. Now I have opened my visor and see how my headlight works. High wind. So I'm in triple digits now. So let us see how this mic captures the audio. My helmet visor is closed right now, so I will open it and see. Yes, this is my visor is open now. And let's go home and check whether the audio has been recorded in the camera. I think it should be pretty good while the visor is closed. The only thing is, when the helmet visor is open, there will be a lot of wind blasts, and I have to see how this setup captures the audio.
This also has a provision for fitting any ND filter or polarization filter. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you all in another exciting video. See you then.